Welcome to Colombo, the vibrant heart of Sri Lanka. Located on the west coast, Colombo is the largest city and the commercial capital of Sri Lanka. The Colombo District is a melting pot of cultures, history and modernity. With a rich colonial history, the cityscape features a blend of colonial architecture and contemporary structures. Iconic landmarks like the old Parliament building and the Colombo Lighthouse stand alongside modern skyscrapers. Colombo is also a culinary hub offering a diverse range of flavors. From spicy street food to elegant dining, there's something for every palate. For relaxation, locals and tourists alike flock to Galle Green, a popular oceanside urban park that offers stunning sunsets and a refreshing sea breeze. Culturally, Colombo is a vibrant tapestry of religions and traditions. The district is home to numerous temples, churches and mosques, reflecting the island's diverse heritage. Whether you're looking to shop at upscale malls or explore local markets, Colombo has it all. It's a shopper's paradise with a mix of traditional crafts and modern goods. Colombo is a dynamic and captivating district that perfectly blends the old with the new. It's a must-visit destination that offers a unique glimpse into the heart of Sri Lanka.